If the Most High is not the Elohim to the dead, who are the leaders of the walking dead? The scriptures made it clear that Satan is the god that is worshipped in the beast system. In addition, the world was given into the hands of the wicked. The spiritually dead are those who have accepted the beast culture and submit to the beast system. The spiritually dead have been deceived by the kingdom of darkness to believe they are worshiping and serving the Most High. The truth is they are worshiping Satan in disguise. If the Most High is not your king, then Satan is your king. The spiritually dead are led by the flesh. Satan operates in the flesh. Anything that caters to your flesh, Satan is the mastermind behind the lust of the flesh. The Most High said, you cannot please him in the flesh.